Good morning, everybody. So I'm here in the magical forest again, which today isn't that magical. So didn't get fog, although the prediction was quite certain. So it was cold, it was a clear night, there was rain the last days. So the chances were very high to get fog up here, but instead there's an inversion. So down the valley behind those trees, we have fog. But yeah, I didn't find a good viewpoint which I could use to photograph into the valley. So I came up here anyway, had a look around, and yeah, what I found was actually not at eye level. So I looked down when I walked along this path here, which you see there's a lot of leaves and they have frost on it. So I found here some scene with a nice orientation of leaves. So I didn't even touch it. I just looked down at my feet and thought I'd take a photo. So I have the long lens on, and yeah, that's currently the problem. I don't have a macro lens, and this long lens, it has a minimum focusing distance of 1.2 meters, which is roughly, I think, 10 centimeters more away from the scene. And I only brought the small center column because I was expecting to just get low today, take photos of the forest where I want to have a foreground and everything. So I exchanged the center columns, which you can do with this tripod. And yeah, this basically chased away like 15 centimeters of height for this tripod. So it's a very small tripod which I use for traveling. And now in this use case, it might just be too small because I can't get far away from, or far enough away from my subject. So I'm trying anyway, using f11, and I think the center I get quite sharp. I'm not sure the edges if I get them in right, because this one edge is a little closer to the frame. So I might experiment a bit more. Also get the 15-35 and see when I go low at 35 millimeters if it still looks nice. The difference will be I'm closer to the leaves, so it will not be a flat ensemble of leaves. So I will have some perspective. Might even look good, but yeah, what's just nice is all those little ice crystals. I show you in the photo, even if it's on sharp, I can show you those ice crystals. Look just nice, and yeah, it also shows that even if you're disappointed at first because you don't get the conditions you were expecting or hoping for, just still get out, take a stroll through the forest, and also look to your feet because sometimes you find something unexpected right at the forest floor. So I'm gonna try to take this photo now, and then I'm gonna have a wander in this direction. Maybe there's some clearing where I can see the inversion or find something to photograph it. But anyways, it's just beautiful out there. I mean, very calm. The wind is on the other side of the hill, so down here it's also not that cold. So down the valley it was like 3 degrees less, which is why we have this inversion. But up here it's quite pleasant. So I'm gonna take some photos now, and hopefully I show you a sharp photo.